Rust is one of the biggest enemies of metal. It slowly eats away at tools, bolts, car parts, garden equipment, machinery, and household hardware. Once rust starts spreading, many people immediately reach for a can of WD-40 or another lubricant, hoping it will solve the problem. While products like WD-40 are excellent for loosening stuck bolts and providing temporary protection against moisture, they are not designed to completely remove heavy rust or restore badly corroded metal. That's why many DIY enthusiasts and mechanics use acetone as part of a rust removal process. Acetone is an inexpensive solvent available at most hardware stores for around $1 to a few dollars depending on the size of the container. Its powerful cleaning ability makes it useful for removing grease, oil, old paint residue, adhesive, and contaminants that hide underneath rust. One of the biggest reasons acetone is popular is because it evaporates extremely quickly without leaving behind an oily residue. When rusted metal is covered with grease or old lubricant, rust removers often struggle to reach the surface. Acetone strips away these contaminants, allowing mechanical cleaning methods such as wire brushing or sanding to work much more effectively. It prepares the metal instead of simply masking the problem. Many experienced mechanics also combine acetone with automatic transmission fluid ATF as a homemade penetrating oil for loosening seized bolts. This mixture has become popular because acetone helps carry the lubricant into tiny spaces between rusted threads. Once inside, the ATF lubricates the surfaces and makes it easier to break rust bonds. This trick is intended for loosening stuck fasteners, not for permanently eliminating rust. For surface rust, acetone is often used as the first step in restoration. The metal is cleaned thoroughly with acetone to remove grease, dirt, and contaminants. After the surface dries, rust is removed using sandpaper, a wire wheel, steel wool, or a commercial rust remover. Once the bare metal is exposed, a rust inhibiting primer and protective paint or coating are applied. This final protective layer is what helps prevent rust from returning. Acetone is especially useful when restoring old hand tools. Wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, and sockets often become coated with grease over many years. Cleaning them with acetone removes the grime, making it much easier to identify rusted areas that need attention. After polishing and applying a light protective oil, many old tools look almost new again. Car enthusiasts frequently use acetone when restoring brake components, brackets, suspension parts, and engine accessories. Because acetone leaves no oily film behind, it prepares metal surfaces for primer and paint better than many household cleaners. Proper preparation is critical because paint adheres poorly to greasy surfaces. Another advantage is cost. Commercial rust removal products can become expensive, especially when restoring multiple tools or large metal objects. Acetone is inexpensive and widely available, making it a favorite in workshops. However, acetone alone does not dissolve rust permanently. It works best as a cleaner and preparation solvent within a complete rust removal process. Safety is extremely important when using acetone. It is highly flammable and should always be used in a well-ventilated area, away from sparks, flames, cigarettes, or heat sources. Protective gloves resistant to solvents and safety glasses are recommended because acetone can dry out the skin and irritate the eyes. Containers should remain tightly sealed when not in use since acetone evaporates very quickly. Acetone has earned a strong reputation among mechanics, metal fabricators, and restoration enthusiasts because of its exceptional ability to prepare rusted metal surfaces for cleaning and repair. Although acetone is not a rust remover by itself, it plays an essential role in making the entire restoration process far more effective. Rust often develops beneath layers of grease, oil, dirt, wax, and old lubricants that prevent rust removal products and abrasive tools from reaching the actual corrosion. Acetone quickly dissolves these contaminants, exposing the metal surface and allowing the next stages of restoration to work much more efficiently. This simple preparation step can save both time and effort while improving the quality of the final result. One of acetone's greatest advantages is its ability to evaporate rapidly without leaving behind any residue. Many household cleaners leave soaps, oils, or moisture on the surface, which can interfere with primers, paints, or protective coatings. Acetone flashes off within seconds under normal conditions, leaving the metal clean and dry. This clean surface allows rust removal chemicals, wire brushes, sanding discs, and polishing pads to make direct contact with the rust instead of fighting through layers of contamination. The result is faster cleaning and a more uniform finish that is ready for restoration. When working on automotive components, preparation is especially important because many parts are exposed to years of engine oil, transmission fluid, brake dust, road salt, and grime. Rust often hides beneath these stubborn deposits, making it difficult to judge the true condition of the metal. Wiping the surface thoroughly with acetone removes these contaminants and reveals areas that require additional attention. Mechanics frequently use acetone before restoring brackets, suspension parts, brake assemblies, engine mounts, and other steel components because it helps create a clean working surface that improves every step that follows. Old hand tools also benefit greatly from acetone cleaning before rust removal begins. Wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, sockets, chisels, and clamps often accumulate years of grease that traps moisture against the metal. Simply scrubbing away visible rust without removing this oily layer usually produces disappointing results because the abrasives cannot reach every affected area. Acetone cuts through stubborn grease quickly, allowing wire brushes, steel wool, or sandpaper to contact the rust directly. Once cleaned, the tools can be polished, protected with a light coating of oil, and returned to service in much better condition. Acetone is also widely used before applying rust converters or chemical rust removers. Products designed to dissolve or convert rust perform best when they can touch the corroded surface without interference. Oil, grease, silicone, wax, and dirt can block these chemicals from working evenly. Cleaning first with acetone helps ensure that every portion of the rusted surface receives consistent treatment, resulting in a more complete restoration and reducing the chances of missed spots that could continue corroding beneath fresh paint or protective coatings. Another benefit of acetone is its compatibility with many restoration techniques. Whether rust is removed by sanding, grinding, media blasting, chemical treatment, or wire brushing, surface preparation remains one of the most important stages. Professional restorers understand that even the highest quality paint or primer cannot compensate for poor preparation. By removing invisible contaminants before mechanical cleaning begins, acetone helps create a stronger bond between the metal and any protective coating that follows, increasing durability and extending the life of the restored part. Many experienced technicians also appreciate acetone because it reaches narrow spaces that are difficult to clean using thicker cleaners or degreasers. Threads on bolts, seams between metal panels, corners, and tight crevices often trap grease and moisture. Acetone's thin consistency allows it to penetrate these small areas easily, carrying away contaminants that would otherwise remain hidden. Cleaning these difficult locations improves the effectiveness of later rust removal methods and helps ensure a more complete restoration. Despite its effectiveness, acetone must always be handled carefully. It is highly flammable and evaporates quickly. producing vapors that should never be exposed to sparks, flames, or high temperatures. Proper ventilation is essential whenever acetone is used indoors. Wearing solvent-resistant gloves and eye protection helps prevent skin irritation and accidental splashes. Clean cloths soaked with acetone should be stored and disposed of properly, because they can remain flammable until completely dry. Deep surface preparation is often the difference between a temporary repair and a long, lasting restoration. Removing grease, oils, adhesives, and hidden contaminants allows rust removal methods to perform at their highest potential while giving primers and protective coatings the clean foundation they need to bond securely. Acetone remains one of the simplest, most affordable, and most effective preparation solvents available, making it a valuable addition to any rust restoration project where clean metal is the key to achieving professional quality results. Rust prevention through protective coatings is one of the most important steps in preserving metal after rust has been removed. Many people focus entirely on cleaning away corrosion, but overlook the need to shield the bare metal from oxygen and moisture. Without protection, freshly cleaned steel can begin developing surface rust within hours under humid conditions. A quality protective coating acts as a barrier between the environment and the metal, dramatically slowing the corrosion process and helping tools, machinery, automotive parts, and household equipment remain in excellent condition for years. Proper protection is what transforms a successful rust removal job into a long, lasting restoration. The first stage of protection begins immediately after the metal has been thoroughly cleaned and dried. Once rust, grease, and contaminants have been removed, the exposed steel becomes highly vulnerable to oxidation. Even fingerprints can leave behind moisture and salts that encourage corrosion. Applying a protective coating as soon as possible minimizes the time the bare metal remains exposed. This quick action is especially important in humid climates or coastal areas where moisture levels remain consistently high throughout the year. Rust-inhibiting primers are commonly used because they create an excellent foundation for additional protective layers. These primers are formulated to bond tightly to clean metal while reducing the chances of moisture reaching the surface. Many contain corrosion-resistant compounds that provide an extra level of defense beneath the final paint layer. A properly applied primer not only improves paint adhesion, but also helps maintain the integrity of the finish, even when the metal experiences vibration, temperature changes, or outdoor exposure. After priming, a durable topcoat provides the primary shield against environmental damage. High-quality paints designed for metal resist water, sunlight, chemicals, and abrasion far better than ordinary household paints. Multiple thin coats usually produce better coverage and durability than one heavy application. Allowing each layer to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions creates a stronger finish that is less likely to chip, crack, or peel over time. Once the coating remains intact, oxygen and moisture have far fewer opportunities to reach the steel beneath. Protective coatings are not limited to paint alone. Many mechanics and equipment owners apply specialized waxes, corrosion inhibitors, or protective oils to tools and machinery that are stored indoors. These coatings create a thin moisture-resistant film that protects exposed steel without permanently altering the appearance of the metal. Hand tools, precision measuring instruments, firearms, woodworking equipment, and machine parts often benefit from this type of protection because the coating can be renewed easily whenever necessary. Automotive components require even greater protection because they constantly face rain, road salt, mud, gravel, and changing temperatures. Suspension parts, chassis components, underbody panels, and brake hardware are especially vulnerable to corrosion. Protective coatings specifically designed for automotive use provide resistance against water and salt while remaining flexible enough to withstand vibration and impacts from road debris. Regular inspection allows damaged areas to be repaired before corrosion spreads beneath the coating. Industrial machinery also depends heavily on protective coatings for reliable operation. Manufacturing equipment, construction machinery, agricultural implements, and marine hardware often work in harsh environments where moisture, chemicals, and abrasive materials accelerate corrosion. Heavy-duty epoxy coatings, polyurethane finishes, and specialized industrial paints are commonly selected because they provide exceptional resistance to mechanical wear and environmental exposure. Proper maintenance schedules help ensure these coatings continue protecting valuable equipment throughout years of demanding service. Outdoor household items such as fences, gates, patio furniture, grills, garden tools, and decorative metal fixtures also benefit from long-term protective finishes. Seasonal weather changes expose these items to repeated cycles of rain, sunlight, heat, and cold that gradually weaken unprotected metal. Applying weather-resistant coatings and inspecting surfaces for scratches or chips allows small repairs to be completed before rust begins forming beneath the finish. This preventative approach extends the life of outdoor equipment while reducing future repair costs. Surface preparation remains critical before any protective coating is applied. Even the highest quality paint cannot bond properly if grease, dust, loose rust, or old flaking paint remain on the surface. Thorough cleaning with an appropriate solvent followed by complete drying ensures maximum adhesion and long-lasting performance. Careful preparation also produces a smoother finish that looks more professional while delivering greater durability against environmental damage. Routine maintenance plays an equally important role in rust prevention. Protective coatings should be inspected regularly for chips, cracks, scratches, or worn areas that expose bare metal. Addressing minor damage immediately prevents moisture from reaching the steel and beginning the corrosion process again. Simple touch-ups performed early are usually much easier and less expensive than restoring heavily rusted metal after the protective barrier has failed. Consistent care combined with high-quality protective coatings provides one of the most effective methods available for preserving metal surfaces, maintaining structural strength, and extending the service life of valuable equipment in both residential and professional environments. For heavily rusted items, chemical rust removers containing phosphoric acid or chelating agents may still be necessary after cleaning with acetone. These products chemically convert or dissolve rust, while acetone mainly removes contaminants that interfere with the cleaning process. The biggest mistake people make is assuming that removing visible rust means the problem is gone forever. Rust returns whenever bare steel is exposed to oxygen and moisture. That's why the most important step comes after cleaning: sealing the metal with primer, paint, wax, oil, or another protective coating. Without protection, rust can begin forming again within days or weeks in humid environments. Despite the viral claims seen online, there is no $1 liquid that permanently destroys rust forever on its own. Acetone is a powerful cleaner and an excellent preparation solvent that makes rust removal easier and improves the effectiveness of restoration. Combined with proper mechanical cleaning, rust treatment, and long-term protective coatings, it can play an important role in restoring metal parts and keeping them rust-free for years.